marvelous Meryl Streep.
It's hard to stand up. It's hard. I don't want to do it. I don't want to be here. I want to be home and I want to read and garden and load my dishwasher. And I want to read and garden and load my dishwasher. I do. I love that. And the only way you can do it is to feel you have to. You have to. You don't have an option. You have to. Stand up, speak up, act up. All of us have the human right to life and liberty and the pursuit of happiness.